हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू बुकमार्क बाय अंकिता। इट इज संडे मॉर्निंग एंड मौसम बहुत अच्छा है। मैं और मेरे कजन्स वी हैव गॉट रेडी, वी आर गोइंग आउट। Mostly we'll be going to zoo, so we have dressed comfy because there'll be a lot of walking. I'll try to finish the book that I'm currently reading and they'll be playing their hearts out. So let's see you. घर से निकलते ही कुछ दूर चलते ही सबसे पहले जो दिखाई देता है वो है ढेर सारा पोल्यूशन, which is why we decided to take a Toto ride. After a short ride, finally we have reached our destination, but as you can see, the crowd, the line for the ticket, these are the moments when you instantly regret your decision. So let's see how long it takes to get the ticket. I got the tickets really quickly because there was a separate line. A lot of portion of the zoo is under maintenance, but that's okay. We are not here to cover everything. We'll cover as much as we can and we'll find a spot where we can sit and enjoy my reading and they'll be playing there. Because of Sunday, there's a lot of crowd, so definitely Sunday is not a good day to come to the zoo if you want some peace. Anyways, while we are here, let me give you a tour of the zoo. The first thing we saw were bear, and just look at them. ये lunch करके सो रहे हैं. Now look at these chimpanzees, they are chilling out. इनको बस एक phone दे दो और ये reels भी scroll कर लेंगे. And how often do you get this lucky that you get to see a peacock with its wings fanned out? And the next thing was an otter in action caught in 4K. And now have a look at the oldest animal still in black and white. Next we went to the lake. The place was quite peaceful. We could have sat there for some time, but there was no sitting arrangement. So we took few photos and then decided to leave. So we have covered almost half of the zoo now, but the kids are already tired. So we have come to the restaurant, we'll be taking some drink, and after that my goal is to find a spot for reading. So we'll look around and we'll search for a peaceful spot where we can sit and read and relax for some time, and then we'll be covering the remaining part of the zoo. So we have taken our drink and we are now heading to the children's park. I just hope that I'll get some quiet space over there to read. But then we saw a place which literally brought back so many memories from my childhood. And that is these stone pedestals in the pond. So I went ahead and recreated my childhood photo. Finally, we have reached the children's park. Just look at the crowd. It is hell crowded and hence it's impossible to read even a single page over here. So I'll just wait while the kids play, and once they are done, we'll go somewhere else to sit and relax. After playing for some time, we are up for some ice cream break. Okay, so when I had planned to come out and read today, I had no idea that there'll be so much crowd in the zoo. What I had planned to be a reading vlog is slowly turning into a zoo vlog. Although I did not get any proper place to read, but I'm still happy. For the first time, I saw so many people of Patna enjoying their leisure time. It's not that they did not have time before, but seeing them embrace that time just made me realize that हमारा शहर अब बदल रहा है. So after being a complete failure at making the reading vlog, we are now heading out of the zoo. We'll have lunch and then we'll go back to home. So see you later. Bye. Thank you for watching the video till the end. See you in the next one.